Come on, look at you. Come on. Come to mommy. Come to mommy. Come to mommy. Nope. Okay. Can you stand up, buddy? Okay, stand by yourself. Stand by yourself. Nope. Okay. Okay, come on. Come over here. Christopher, Christopher, come to mommy. Look. Look what Christopher has. Look what mommy has. Paper. Red paper. Can you come to mommy? Can you come to mommy? Yeah, you can do it. Oh, nope. Okay. We're just crawling, I guess. Not wanting to walk, so we'll say bye-bye. Bye-bye. We'll be back.